What is up, guys? We got the merch again, you know what I'm saying? I like this merch, it's pretty dope. We are headed to Prestige Wheelhouse. If you can see, we got no tires, matey. No tires, so I just picked up a new set of tires. Not telling you what kind I got because it's pretty sick. Hopefully, it's like a beautiful day. Like it went from being like super rainy this morning and wet, now pretty dry and sunny. So I'm waiting for Max. If you guys haven't seen him in a while, he helped me like do my cord stuff back in the summer. But I'm waiting for him and AWOD, and we're gonna go take this thing for a drive. Maybe shred some tires and then get these new tires. AWOD. So we got AWOD, we got Max. You guys can check him out on Instagram. I'm gonna post him right here. We're gonna head out and get some more meat on these tires, you know what I'm saying? These are kind of like done. So let's go and get these Jimmy Jams on. Oh yeah. Been a minute in this bitch. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Peanut butter. We're just gonna send it. Send it, send it. Send it! Woo! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, my God! It's the poopers! Butt boys. The shit butt boys. We made it to Route 1. We did it! Ooh. So this man's wanted to do a burnout. And then we looked across the street, and this super slow zoom will catch up in a second. And he's right there. I should just hit VTech. Look at the pooper. Look at him leaning back. They see me rolling. They hate it. We haven't arrived. We're gonna get the tires for my car. Well, hopefully, we just gotta figure out which. I guess just look for like some super sick cars. Let's see if we can find them. I think it's 3093. It'll be at the wet. Yeah, I think so. A Nissan Juke! Yeah!
What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Nylon cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we are too hot in the business. About to make a movie independent. Need new trucks independent. I need you to listen to the vision. All your verses sound like dirty dishes.
You gotta drift it, bro, before we put the tires on. Alright guys, we made it to Prestige Wheelhouse. The tire guy's gonna be right back, but this is gonna be like the moment of truth right here. Get these big ass tires on the wheels. I just can't wait to see how they hook. You got some meaty meat right here. Nitto NT05R. I'm excited to see what they look like. It's gonna look like a beast. No. It's pretty dead, so it's kinda like we're Gucci. Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Could have gone 300s. 315s, bro. We should have done 315s. That would have been dope. You would have been on good. Nah, we'll just rub up. They'll do a burnout, you know what I'm saying? I was, wait, that's the Beamer?
Yeah. So this morning we had a conversation and I was like, I really want to learn how to like use the machine because it's different than the ones that I'm used to. And he was like, well, let's mount some tires. So we went out and decided we'd burn off my tires.
Nice.
Just so that we have an excuse to mount more. So there's one Snapchat, there's third gear.
Jordan and I own cool shit.
That. Oh, I was in the car for that.
Who's Eddie?
2 human hands to go across that entire
335s. We should put these on a Honda, bro.
Oh yeah.
It'd be definitely. I mean, 'cause you always spin with Hondas.
No. Those are the skinniest little tires.
I know. What the hell?
They're a 225.
Mama, like
they have so much tread.
Hey man, that's an AMG. Stop.
That's not supposed to happen.
What did you do? Hey man, that's an AMG. Stop.
When my tire exploded, my wheel speed was like 120 miles per hour, and it just ripped my bumper off, and I just watched half of my bumper fly behind me. I'm getting carbon fiber trim to match soon.
Damn. That probably feels so good when you're getting loose and shit.
Yeah, honestly, like that's what made the world a difference for me.
That's.
Yep, he ordered one too for his car.
How much are they? Like, I was gonna say probably like.
With the I got sponsored for mine because like I was the first AMG that they ever did, so they did mine for $575.
But he also sent them their wheel.
I sent my wheel in so I could drive the car first.
Damn, that sucks just for a wheel. I mean, it's worth it though.
It's worth it now that it's in the car.
Yeah, you're like, you probably just like.
Yeah, it feels so nice. Like feeling that carbon fiber.
Yeah, dude. That cold start, the AMG cold start, bro.
See if it's cold. Nope.
It's not loud enough.
Clear all the errors, clearing all of the codes.
Oh, I love the AMG sound, dude.
God, I love the way this car sounds. It's been 2 years with this thing and I still can't get over it. Car's done.
Damn.
Oh, it's gonna look good.
Oh, the booty. Hell yeah. Look at these fucking meats. All right, guys, I'm gonna go. You gotta go. I gotta go beat off. Say.
Yeah, that looks so much more aggressive.
Oh, sexy. Now I just need to get wheels.
Guess where you are.
Yeah, I know. What do you guys got? It's like,
Fucking thing.
not 6 low. You gotta order that probably.
Well, I mean, we're not. Nobody has 6 low.
I can get some truck wheels.
Some fucking truck wheels.
Yeah. That bitch gonna be like a dragster or something. We got the wheelies on. We're gonna go test them out. No spins anymore. No more spins. So we're gonna test them out. Got A-wad with the camera.
All right, guys, we're gonna do a little hit. Or two, but comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Woo! Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.